Hello class 1 children, good morning. So this is your English teacher Chandna madam. So children, today I am going to teach you uh, a new chapter from unit 5. That is, this one is for your half yearly exam, okay? The chapter name is circle. Circle, you know na children, what is the meaning of circle? circle. Circle means round, okay? The round ball is circle in shape, laddu is circle in shape, all the round thing they are called circle. Now let me read the lesson. When you open the page, then you will find this lesson, okay? circle. Circle means round. See, here is round, a balloon is round, a ball is round, okay? Now listen, read and draw. Let us listen this story, read this story, and after that we also draw the diagram, okay? Now let me explain the lesson. One day Mohini was sitting with her grandmother. One day what happened? This girl name is Mohini. She was sitting with her grandma, and what they are doing? Grandma drew a circle. Grandma, she drew a circle in a paper. Okay. Can you draw a circle, Mohini? She asked Mohini. Can you draw a circle, Mohini? Yes, I can. Mohini said, yes, grandma, I can draw a circle. Soon Mohini drew a circle. Then soon Mohini took a paper, and in that paper she drew a circle. Now I will draw a ball, she said. Now I want to draw a ball, and she started drawing a ball. Grandmother drew 3 lines on the circle. Grandmother, she drew 3 lines on the circle, and Mohini drew 3 lines on her circle. Mohini too drew 3 lines on her circle. It really looked like a ball. It really looked like a ball, because in ball, children, you have seen that there is circles. Okay. Now let's draw a balloon. Then grandma said, let's draw a balloon. Balloon you also zigzag. Grandma added a zigzag line to the circle, and she, in the balloon, she drew a zigzag line. Zigzag means like this line. Okay. Now in next page. Oh, it is really look like a balloon, she said. See, grandma draw a zigzag line like this. Okay. Then Mohini said, it looked like a real balloon, grandma. Mohini clapped with joy. Then Mohini, in happy mood, she clapped with joy. Okay. Mohini drew many circle. Mohini drew many circle, big and small circles. She drew some big circles, a circle, red, blue, green, and yellow circle. Okay, and in this way she make many balloons. Like see the here, children, she make many balloons. Okay, she also added zigzag line on. To this, in this balloon, all these balloons she added zigzag line. Here she has made two circle, one circle this one circle this one. Okay. Then after that, and now there were many balloons. So here is many balloons. Can you draw something else with a circle? So children, can you draw something else with a circle? Asked grandmother. Grandmother asked Mohini, can you draw any circle? Yes, said Mohini. Mohini said yes. She drew a wheel, a moon, a sun, a rabbit, and her own face. And in this way, she drew many circles. And in the circle, she make one wheel, one moon, one sun, one rabbit, and one. In one circle, she made her own face. Okay, like this way. See here, children, she has made her own face. Now, new words which you come across this chapter are ball, B-A-L-L, ball. Ball means ball. You play with the ball. Blue, B-L-U, blue. This is the color of blue color. C-I-R-C-L is circle. Circle means round shape. This shape is called circle. L-I-N-E, line. Line means straight line. Line. Okay. M-double-N, moon. Moon, you have seen moon. That night moons shine in the sky. Okay. Now let's read. With circle and moon, you have to make simple sentences. I can draw a circle. The moon is round. Okay. Next is uh, let's draw. I can draw a circle. So circle you have to draw here. Okay. The moon is round. Moon is round. Reading is fun. Okay. Now next question is reading first. Question number. What did grandmother and Mohini drew first? Mohini and grandmother drew. What they drew? Answer. Grandmother and Mohini drew a circle first. Mohini and grandmother drew a circle first. Then question number 2. What were the color of the balloon that Mohini drew? Answer is Mohini drew balloons of different colors such as red, blue, green and yellow. And this one is in the circle below you have to draw what like this. Okay, this is the balloon where Mohini drew her face and balloon. And look at this shape. See, this is triangle, this is square and this is rectangle. Now see, this is a house and try make this shape into a car. With this shape, circle, triangle, square, rectangle, you have to make a car, a house, a door or anything else. Okay, and you have to do this activity by yourself. Okay, thank you children for watching.